Hello students, welcome you all are in our virtual class of mathematics. Today we are going to learn a proved sum based on the property. The title is property based proved sum. In first session, today we are going to learn three different property based sums. So start with first here in determinant 10, 4 and 6. 12, 50, 25 and 50. 5, 2 and 3 is given. Now, see the students here, we can use different properties. You may say in last lecture we have studied different properties like 6 properties of determinant. Now, today we can use the properties in that sum. So here 10, 4 and 6 is given. See the students, here we can common from first row like 2 into 5, 2 into 2 and 2 into 3. Remaining is same as 5, 2 and 3. Now see the students, here 2, here 2 and here 2. We take common from 2. Now 5, 2 and 3 is remaining. 12, 25 and 15. 5, 2 and 3. See the students, in that first row and third row is a common, so we can use property number 2. So in the property number 1, any two row or any two column are same, then and then the determinant is a 0. So here the answer is 0 and here we write property number 1. Now, in second sum, see the students, here 7, 10 and 14 is given. In second row, 9, 12 and 16 is given. Here 1977, 1980 and 1984 is given. Now, here we do C3 implies C3 minus C2. See the students, here C3 means કે C3 ની કોલમમાં આપણે C3 minus C2 એટલે કે 14 minus 10, 16 minus 12 અને 1984 minus 1980 કરશું. Same as column number 2 C2 minus C1. Now we apply first row, nothing changed, so we write 7, 9 and 1977. Now in column number 2 we can use 10. First of all we write 10, 12 and 1980. Now see the students, we can use say 2 minus C1, so we can C1 minus means 7 minus 9 and 1980 77. Now in C3 class, first of all we write 14, 16, 1984. In C3 use C2 as a minus, means 10, 12 and here 1980. Now remaining part is here 7, 9, 1977. Here 10 minus 7 means 3. Here also 12 minus 9 means 3. 1980 minus 1977 is also 3. Here 14 minus 10 means 4. Here 19 16 minus 12 is also 4, and 84 minus 80 is also 4. Now see the students here in the column number 2 and column number 4 is here. The common is 3 and here common is 4. So we can take 3 into 4 common, and remaining part 7, 9 and 1977. Here 3 is common, so we write 1, 1 and 1. Here 4 is common, so we write 1, 1 and 1. See the students, here also we used both column is same, so the determinant is 0 as per property number 1. So we write 12 into determinant is 0, so answer is 0. Here we write properties number 1. Now see the students, here in third example we can use the determinant x minus y minus z and z minus x. Column number 2 1 1 and 1. Column number 3 x y and z is equal to prove that this type of determinant. So here first of all we can take the column number C1 in plus column number C1 minus C3, because the students here x is present and here x is going to this plus, so we can cut both x. So apply at C1 x minus y minus z and z minus x. Now we apply at the place of C1. C1 is written here, now minus C3. So C3 is minus x, minus y and minus z. So the column number C3 cut from column number 1. Remaining is same as x, y and z. Now here x and x cut, here y and y cut, here z and z cut. So we write here minus y, minus z and minus x. 1, 1 and 1. X, y and z. See the students, here minus sign common from here. So we write minus 1, y, z, x. 1, 1, 1. And x, y, z. See the students, here the first column is y, z and x, but we want to x, y and z. This column is present but at last. So we can interchange the column C3 in place of C1 and C1 in place of C3. The property number is a minus sign, property number 2. So here minus 1 is present, and if we interchange the column, then also the property says any row and column is interchanged, then answer is only various in a minus. So one time minus is present and we can interchange the column. So another time minus 1. So we write here x, y and z. 1, 1, 1. And y, z, x. We can also send the answer here. X. Now here see the students, minus 1 and minus 1 plus and multiplied by 1, so we can not write a 1 here. So directly put answer x, y, z. 1, 1, 1. Y, z, x. See the students, here most important part is only a 6 properties. So you can use the different properties here. We write interchange column interchange column C1 to C3. C1 ની જે કોલમ હતી આપણે ક્યાં લઈ ગયા C3 જગ્યાએ અને C3 ની જગ્યાએ જે કોલમ હતી ક્યાં લઈ આવ્યા ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ પર એટલે આપણો આન્સર છે જે પ્રુડેન્ટ એ મળી ગયો. સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ અહીંયા ખાસ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ છે એ તમે પ્રોપરલી સમજજો અને પ્રોપર્ટીઝ ઉપરથી જ આવા શોર્ટ કરવાના છે.